Here we have your shoulder pin-loaded press machine. The whole purpose of the shoulder press machine is to activate our shoulders, primarily your anterior delt and your medial delt. The second muscle group this machine is going to really help activate is your tricep, the back of your arms. A couple main areas to adjust before we actually execute the movement. The first one is your seat pad. As you have seen in many other machines, it's the red handle, which you can pull up to bring it up, or pull down and press, pull up and push down so that we can lower it. The second area of adjustment is your weight stack, okay? Make sure you change your weight before executing the movement, okay? I know I have a good height on this seat because when I lean back, the handles are just a little bit below my shoulder. That is going to help activate my shoulders more in a full range of motion when I start executing the movement. This machine has got a pretty neat feature, which is your foot pedal. Your foot pedal, once you press it down, brings the handles up to you so you can get into it nice and easy. Once you grip it, you can execute the movement and release the foot pedal by breathing in and exhaling on the way up, breathing in on the way down, exhaling on the way up. Control the movement, make sure you have good time under tension throughout your entire set. Notice I keep my head back, my shoulders back. Once I'm done with the movement, I want to press down that foot handle again and bring it down with my feet and not my shoulders.